How to fix a car overheating problem. Dealing with a car overheating problem can be stressful, especially when you're on the road. An overheating engine can lead to costly repairs and even permanent damage if not addressed quickly. Whether it's due to low coolant levels, a faulty radiator, or extreme weather conditions, understanding the causes and solutions can help you prevent long-term issues. In this guide, we'll cover the common reasons why cars overheat and how you can fix the problem before it gets worse. Common causes of car overheating. Several factors can contribute to a car overheating problem, including low coolant levels, faulty thermostat, blocked or leaking radiator, broken water pump, and damaged cooling fan. How to fix an overheating car. 1. Turn off the AC and turn on the heater. Although it may seem counterintuitive, turning on the heater can help draw excess heat away from the engine. This may temporarily help lower the temperature until you can pull over safely. 2. Pull over and let the engine cool down. If you notice steam coming from the hood or the temperature gauge rising, safely pull over and turn off the engine. Allow at least 15-30 minutes for the engine to cool before opening the hood. 3. Check the coolant level. Once the engine is cool, check the coolant reservoir. If the coolant is low, add more, but make sure you use the correct type for your vehicle. However, if you see a leak or notice the coolant is brown or sludgy, you may need professional assistance. 4. Inspect the radiator and hoses. Look for visible leaks or damage to the radiator and hoses. If you spot a leak, you may need to replace a hose or patch the radiator temporarily before seeking a professional repair. 5. Check the cooling fan. If the cooling fan isn't running, it could be due to a blown fuse or a faulty motor. Replacing the fan or repairing the electrical connection can help restore proper cooling. 6. Examine the thermostat. If your thermostat is stuck closed, it will prevent coolant from flowing properly. Replacing a faulty thermostat is a relatively simple and inexpensive fix that can resolve an overheating issue. Preventing overheating in the future. Taking preventive measures can help you avoid overheating problems before they start. Regular car maintenance in the summer is especially important since hot weather can put extra stress on your cooling system. Park in the shade when possible. Keeping your car out of direct sunlight can help keep your engine cool and reduce the risk of overheating. By understanding the causes of a car overheating problem and taking proactive steps, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. Keeping up with regular maintenance and addressing minor issues early will help you stay safe on the road, no matter the season.